The new Xero Navigation, do you love it or do you hate it? Okay, so let's be honest, we're all creatures of habit, whether we like it or not. So the chances are when you see something new, your first reaction is going to be, I'm not sure that I like it. Well, that might be the case with you. It might be that you don't like the look of the new navigation, or it's more likely that you're just a bit unsure about where to go. And that is understandable because it does look a bit different. The functionality of Xero hasn't changed in any way, but the navigation is quite different. So what I want to do in this video, I want to show you where to find things in the new navigation where it's maybe not obvious initially where you need to go. So really I'm going to take you to the old style and then show you where to find things in the new style of navigation. So hopefully I will help you get over that hurdle of thinking, I'm not sure I like it, to actually thinking, I enjoy this new navigation because it's been done for a reason. And if you're a business person and you're not worrying about accounting, then there's one menu that you'll probably go to. If you're an accountant and not worried about the day-to-day running in the business, the chances are you won't go to the business menu, you'll go to the accounting menu. So let's head into the navigation and I'll talk you through where to find some of the things that are not obvious the first time that you have a look. Okay, for simplicity in this video, I'm going to refer to old Xero and new Xero. So let's look at the Xero Files section. So in old Xero, we went to the icon on the top right for files. In the new Xero, we need to head over to the name of your organisation at the far left, click the drop down, and there we have files. Organisation settings in the old Xero, settings, general settings, and organisation settings. New Xero, again it's over to the far left, the drop down, settings, and organisation details. Creating a sales invoice, we have the plus option and we have the new sales invoice. These do not change, but in the old version we would have gone to accounts, sales, and then new invoice. New Xero, you go to business and then you can go to invoices and new invoice, or you can go to business, you can go to sales overview and new invoice. But really I would stick what you've done previously, where it's quicker to go to the plus sign or go to new sales invoice. Input in a purchase invoice or a bill, no change. You can go to the plus or you can scroll down to the new bill. But in the old version you would have gone to accounts, purchases, and your third option would be new and then bill. New Xero, your third option is business, bills you need to pay, and then new bill, or same here, business again, purchases overview, and new bill. But same as creating a sales invoice, I actually think it's easier just to go to the plus, exactly as you would have done previously. To go to inventory, old Xero, accounts, and inventory. New Xero, it's business, and then it's had a change of name, it's products and services. To access the list of your bank accounts, old Xero, accounts and bank accounts. In new Xero, you go to accounting and then bank accounts. To go to your fixed assets, in old Xero, it was accounts and fixed assets. In new Xero, it's accounting, it's advanced, and then it's fixed assets. You can give that a yellow star, which means when you go to accounting and scroll down to advanced, it will appear there. To go to the expenses model, in the old Xero it was accounts and then expense claims. In new Xero it's business and then expense claims. In old Xero, reports was one of the headings on the dashboard. In new Xero, reports are now under accounting, and then reports. To input a manual journal, in old Xero, advisor and then manual journals. In new Xero, it's accounting, then it's advanced and manual journals. You can have a yellow star here, which means it's a favourite, which means when you go to accounting, it will actually appear when you scroll further down. So there we have it, manual journals. As an accountant, one of my favourite things in life, find and recode, is advisor and then find and recode. In New Xero, it's accounting, it's advanced, and then find and recode. Again, we have a yellow star, which means it's a favourite, so that means when you go to accounting and scroll down to the advanced section, it's going to be there. Okay, let's look at settings in old Xero. So we had settings and then general settings. We had organisation settings here, which included users, tax rates, subscriptions. We had report settings, which included tracking and the chart of accounts. And we had feature settings. That was in old Xero. Let's look at settings in new Xero. Well, first of all, we go to the left and we choose settings. And here we have what they call the organisation settings. So there's general settings. So users are here, organisation details are here, and the features that you would use on a day-to-day basis. So invoice settings, payment settings, email settings, payroll settings, 0 to 0, and custom contact links. But that's not all the settings, and you've got a tip here because it says, are you looking for advanced settings? Well, I know where they are. We go to accounting, we go to advanced. And there on the right hand side we find the advanced settings. So the settings that you're less likely to use on a day-to-day basis. So financial settings, chart of accounts, tax rates, fixed asset settings, tracking categories, report codes, report fields, and conversion balances. And again, if you were looking for organisation settings, there's a tip here. And if you click on that, it takes you right back to them. So you can actually toggle between the standard settings, the day-to-day settings if you like, and the advanced settings. That's in New Xero. Finally, just want to say about in New Xero, the new navigation, there's very little difference on the dashboard and the headings for payroll, projects and contacts. So that is hopefully helpful to you if you're struggling to find things in Xero under the new navigation. As always, if you like my videos, please let me know that you like them. And why don't you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when new videos are uploaded each week. Until next time, happy Xeroing!